Remove the cassowary from the rainforest, and the rainforest begins to die. Not slowly, not metaphorically, literally. Plant by plant, tree by tree, and by generation. This is not speculation. This is what the ecology of Australia's wet tropics tells us. And understanding why requires understanding what this bird actually does inside a forest. What it has always done, for millions of years. The Southern Cassowary eats fruit. That much most people know. What most people do not know is the scale of it. Cassowaries are known to eat the fruit of at least 238 plant species, of which 149 are woody trees. And 45 of those plants produce fruit so large that the Southern Cassowary is the only native animal in Australia capable of dispersing their seeds at all. No other animal on this continent can swallow them. No other animal carries them far enough. No other animal deposits them in conditions where they can actually germinate. Here is how it works. The cassowary swallows a fruit whole. The flesh is digested. The seed passes through largely undamaged. It emerges in a pile of dung that functions as its own ready-made compost heap, nutrient-rich and precisely positioned wherever the bird has walked. In some cases, passage through the cassowary's gut is actually necessary for seed germination. Not helpful, necessary. One rainforest tree germinates 92% of the time after passing through a cassowary. Without that passage, the same seed germinates only 4% of the time. The cassowary is not just dispersing the forest, it is unlocking it. And those droppings do not just feed the seeds. They attract small mammals, including white-tailed rats, melomies, and musky rat kangaroos, which may further assist in dispersal. One act of digestion triggers a cascade of ecological consequences that continues long after the cassowary has moved on. Now here is the discovery that changed how scientists track all of this. Researchers at Charles Darwin University recently fed cassowaries ingestible tracking devices, tiny capsules that transmitted from inside the bird's digestive system. For the first time, scientists could follow exactly where seeds went after being swallowed. What they found in fragmented, partially urbanized landscapes was extraordinary. Cassowaries in more urbanized areas moved rapidly between isolated rainforest patches and deposited native plant seeds between pockets of remnant rainforest. Even surrounded by roads and development, these birds were still doing their job, still stitching the fragments back together, one seed at a time. Fewer than 4,000 southern cassowaries remain in Australia. Each one is doing the work of an entire ecological department. Every road crossing, every dog attack, every habitat cleared removes not just a bird, but a seed dispersal system that took millions of years to build and cannot be replaced. As the only large-bodied frugivore in Australia's tropical rainforests, the southern cassowary plays an irreplaceable role in maintaining the plant diversity and long-distance seed dispersal that sustains these ecosystems. The world's most dangerous bird is also the reason the world's oldest rainforest still stands.